Hello, are you looking for how to mine your Pi network? You don't need to worry no more. Let me take you through step by step on how to go about it. Everything that has to do with mining phase, KYC, and invite. When you log into your Pi network, here is the interface that will be showing on your screen. So, on the top left corner, you click to mine. First of all, to mine, when you log in into your Pi network, you see this green button here. On your own end, it might not show this green button because you have not started mining. It will point arrow. It will point arrow to show. It will be showing arrow on this end. Then you click on the arrow. Then you started mining. And take note of the time you click on the arrow. As at the time I'm recording this video, the time says 6:03 p.m. That means if I click on this arrow at this particular time, then I need to come back the next 24 hours. That means the next day by this time, then click on it to start mining. It's not hard at all. And that's all for the mining day. It's just a daily click. That's one of the sweetest thing about Pi network. Then you head over to the top left corner here. I just want to show you something here for the beginner so you can know more. To check your mining, like your journey so far, because you have to pass your KYC stage before you can say okay you want to migrate to the mainnet, before they can now allocate your Pi. So for you to know your journey on the Pi network, you come to mainnet here, then you come to mainnet checklist. This is very important. Here you have to complete 30 days. First of all, all this box here has to be ticked green. The only box I'm waiting for is the 9th box, which is to migrate to mainnet, and that lies on Pi network team to deal with. I've done the necessary part, which is to pass KYC result, which is number 8. So for the newbies, people that are new here and doesn't know how to go about it, the first thing is download Pi browser app on your phone, which I'm sure many must have done. You know, there is two. There is Pi network, there is Pi browser app. You have to download. You search it on Play Store to show you two different ones. The Pi browser app is to get where you get your seed phrase and all that. So create a Pi wallet. It's until you download this Pi browser app that you can create a Pi wallet. Do you get? So when you download Pi browser app, if you come here, it will take you straight direct to Pi browser app for you to create your Pi wallet, and the steps are very easy. Then before you create your Pi wallet, they will give you 12 seed phrase. Note this 12 seed phrase, you have to keep it where no one can see. No one should have access to your 12 seed phrase, because if they should have access to your 12 seed phrase, they can actually take away all your Pi token. So you don't let anyone have access to it. Keep it where it's safe, maybe your journal, your diary, or where anyone can never get to see it. You can keep it on your phone, but it's not really advisable to keep stuff on the phone, because you might later lose your phone, or maybe you wipe your phone, or you try to format your phone, then you lose everything. But always write it down. It's always good to have a physical place to store it, not just on your phone. Also, confirm your wallet. After creating the wallet, they will ask you to confirm it by putting in your 12 phrase and all that. The Pi wallet is where you receive and store your Pi on the Pi blockchain. Find the wallet app in the Pi browser. Do you get? So confirm your Pi wallet. You can confirm your Pi main balance. That means your main balance will be transferred to your wallet. Let me tell you something about main balance and the normal balance. Your balance can be, for instance, now here I have 95.593 plus dollar Pi balance, but the transferable one is just $19. Why? Because many of my referral haven't complete their KYC, so this is affecting me from withdrawing all the 95 pi. Also, you commit to lockup. This commit to lockup help you boost your mining rate. If you are the type that you know that okay, you do want to touch your pi even after they launch, they've actually launched, but they are still on the mining phase. Maybe this is their second phase, but even at that, you can still lock it up for like 3 years. I locked mine for 3 years just to boost the mining rate, because I don't want to touch it now, because pi will be a bigger asset in the next coming year. That's why I left it. Also, secure your account. You go through all this process, sign, acknowledge to complete, receive token. Just make sure you mine. For you to start this submission of KYC, for you to even make attempt to do your KYC, you must have mined about 30 mining phase. That means you need to be consistent, you need to be fast about it. Make sure you are keeping your streak. Don't miss any day. You can set alarm for it so you don't forget to mine. It's very easy. It's just for you, like it's just like turning on your phone every day. That's how I see it. It's very easy to mine, unlike Amstack, that way you have to tap your phone and break all your screen before you can mine. Then waiting for KYC results. Here, after doing your KYC, they will ask you to verify your face to know if you are a real human being and not a robot, or maybe one person. They don't want one person to have multiple accounts. This is the main reason they are doing this KYC, which is needed. Then wait for KYC. The KYC result can just take about 1 or 2 days. For me, it take just 1 day, but some other persons, they would say that it took them 1 week, depending on how you input your information. If your information is all intact and your face is clear when you were recording your face, it shouldn't take you more than 2 days. Then this migrate to Mainnet, it lies on Pi network, but there are ways for you to make it faster. By doing what? By reaching out to Pi network, which I've done that. So I'm hoping before the end of this week, maybe they will migrate me to the Mainnet. So there's another thing here I want to show many of us. To lock up your mining rate, which is part of it here, you can also come here to do it. Commit to lockup. You can also come here to do it. Let me scroll back. Come to configure lockup rate. As you can see, I lock mine for 3 years, and the lockup percentage, let me just make it to 100%. Yeah, let me make it to 100%, so it will maximize my mining rate. Then also increase transferable balance. For me to increase my transferable balance, I have to message all my invites, all my referral, to make sure they complete their KYC. But they refused. Many of them have tried. They said that it's not going through maybe network. We have informed them to try again. Let me ping my referral so they can be aware. Then this is their white paper, blah blah blah. Don't want to waste our time here. There's another thing here. If you are using computer, how to increase your mining rate, another way you can use to increase your mining rate is by coming here to your node. As you can see this computer icon here, you click on it. Then this is your code. You have to download the Pi node app on your system and then input your if I want to do this, I will make another video entirely for this. But this is how to go about it. You can also merge your system with your code, your main Pi here, just like many other node app. Then you merge it together so it will increase your mining rate. I'll make another video on this. So this is how to go about it. It is very simple. And make sure your room is bright. Whenever you want to do your KYC, make sure the room is bright so it can capture your face properly. Here is how to go about it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and share to your loved ones. Thank you. Peace out.